Well, hey, you guys. Welcome back to the Canning Nana. I just want to show you the results of this video and let you know that everything is fine. The earthquake was a 4.3 in Ojai, California, which is about 11 miles from here. And everybody's fine. We've had some aftershocks, a couple. I think I've only felt one aftershock so far. And there's been a lot in a little town called Santa Paula, but I haven't felt them here. So, hoping there's not a larger one, but we're always ready if there is. I just wanted to take you guys along for a real quick video and let you know how these turned out. I'm going to get the other ones out of there. Here's two. I think there's, I did make another 2 jars, so there's 6, I think there's 7, 8, there's 9 jars. I have to think. I was interrupted rudely by that earthquake, you guys. So anyway, this is what they look like when they come out. They have not sealed yet, but they will. Have no worries. And I did put a jar in the refrigerator, and I have tasted the marinade because I had some marinade left over. And oh my gosh, you guys, the recipe is in the first video's description box. So if you want the recipe for this, which I highly recommend, just go in the description box there. If you have any questions, you can email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. And remember, I did put the Thrive Life mushrooms in there. Oh my goodness, I'm kind of frazzled, you guys. The the freeze-dried mushrooms are in there. And if you have any questions about Thrive Life, the link is in my description box, and you can also email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. Okay, so I am going to make dinner now and rest for the evening. There'll be a picture up with all of the jars together as soon as I get it up. Thanks for watching, you guys. And please comment the word of the day for this video, which will be earthquake. I will see you guys soon. And don't forget to watch all of the videos for Air Fryer February that Prepper Potpourri is putting on. My video is coming out on the 13th. So look forward to that, and I will see you guys soon. And we have lots more videos coming tomorrow, you guys. Lots, hopefully, if there's no more earthquakes. See you soon.